how to prevent duplicates when entering data. We want to make sure it is impossible to enter duplicate values in this list, that is from A2 to A10. So to do that, first select the ranges you want to enter the validation, and then go to data validation here, and select custom from here from the drop down menu, custom, and enter the COUNTIF formula in the formula box. So is equal to COUNTIF is equal to COUNTIF, and select the ranges from A2 to A10 for our consideration, and make it absolute by pressing F4 and click A2 again and equal to 1, and select the error alert tab to customize the error message. In the title box, enter duplicate entry, and in the message box, enter the value you entered already appears in the list above, or any message you want, and then click OK after you finish. Now we can try our settings. So any duplicates entry will cause the error message to pop out. So it's working. Now you can try it again, like 2 or 3. Okay, it's now working again. So the COUNTIF function returns the number of values in the list from A2 to A10 that are equal to the one currently being entered.